Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Rasul Fala. This morning I will presentation about database management system. Definition of database management system. Database management system (DBMS) is software that makes it easy for organizations and centralize data, manage and efficiently, and provide data access for application program. DBMS acts as an interface between application program and physical data file. When an application program calls a data file, such as gross salary, the DBMS shares this data in the database and gives it to the application program. DBMS relieves the text of the programmer or end user to understand where and who the data is actually stored by separating logically and physically from the data. Logical display present data as sent by an user or business specialist while physical display show how data is actually organized and structured in physical strong media. The function of database management system. The function of the database management system, or DBMS, in the development of important applications and systems in the world is very much. At present, various large companies, both national and international, are utilizing database to support their application system. There are many very popular DBMS such as Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft Access, IBM DB2, and many more. This computer software is for data process and as an interface to make it easy for someone to manipulate the database. But many people are still confused between the database and the DBMS itself, even though both are different. There are at least 10 DBMS functions in helping to maintain data integrity in a system. Number 1. Transaction management. The DBMS provides a mechanism for managing transactions and orders that are delivered to ensure data consistency. For example, when a DB access and delete data. At the same time, if a user accesses the data, it will be pending until the data has been deleted. Equipment for making decisions and assuring the database upload referred to a DBMS. The Database Management System (DBMS) is a special software and hardware designed to make protection and manage the database. 2. Data Strong Management. DBMS has the main function as data strong. The substance of the core DBMS can store data in various types, such as videos and images. Users don't need to know data is stored or manipulated. The DBMS has procedure in this process and ensures the data stored in accordance with the data entered. 3. Data Dictionary. The DBMS has the function of managing elements in the database and who they are linked to other data. When the system requests data in a database, the DBMS will provide convenience through SQL to access and search for the data, so that user can easily handle this. 4. Data transformation and presentation. The role of the DBMS as a transformation and presentation of data include converting edge data entered to a predetermined structure and format. Thus, the DBMS can distinguish between the logical data format and its physical form. 5. Data security. DBMS has an important role in the level of security in the database. The DBMS has a role in who to give access right to the appropriate person. In addition, the DBMS is also responsive for managing what the user can do in a database. 6. Enable access to multiple users. DBMS allows several users to interact in a database. This will be more efficient and can fetch certain users according to their role and function. 7. Providing backup and recovery procedure. DBMS allows existing database to the backup and recovered according to their need by utilizing the 10 quiz and wizard that DBMS has. This will make it easier for interest parties when something happens to the database, such as damage and natural disaster. I provide language access and programming. The DBMS provides SQL to manipulate and schema the database known as DML and DDL. With this language, a DBA can easily enter, retrieve, delete, and change data in the database by using the interface profile. 9. Provide an interface to communication. DBMS provides an interface for communication between database with another. Bases that can also facilitate communication between database and other tools such as browser. 10. Maintaining data integrity. DBMS server to redact and eliminate data redundancy and maximize data consistency so that every time you display data according to the original data. Next, type of database management system. Some software or DBMS software that is often used in program application include number 1. MySQL, 2. Visual Pro, 3. Paradox Desktop Database, 4. Oracle. Number 1. MySQL. MySQL is a database management system software or DBMS that is multi-rated, multi-user with around 6 million installation worldwide. MySQL app makes MySQL available as free software under the GNU General Public License (GPL) license, but they also sell under a commercial license for cases where its use does not match the use of GPL. Unlike Apache, which is a software developed by the general community and copyright for source code is owned by the respective author. MySQL is owned and sponsored by a Swedish commercial company, MySQL App. 2. Visual Pro. Visual Pro is the procedural programming capability is maintained and equipped with object-oriented programming. Visual Pro is equipped with the ability to interact with other desktop and client server products and can also build web-based applications. With Visual Studio Pro is a member. The main target of Visual Studio is to provide programming and database tools. The develop software that meet the demand of the times. The data model used by Visual Pro is the rational model. The rational model in the symbol model so that it is easily understood by the user and is the most popular today. This model uses a set of two-dimensional table scale relation or table with a relation composed of tuples or round and attribute. Relationship are designed is in such a way as to eliminate the lack of data and use QSK to connect with other relation. Next. 3. Oracle. Oracle is a relational database management system (RDBMS) to manage information in an open, comprehensive, and interactive manner. Database is one component in information technology that is absolutely necessary by all organizations that want to have an integrated information system to support organizational activities in order to access its goal. Because of the importance of the role of database in information system, it is not surprising that there are many choices of database management system (DBMS) software from various vendors, both free and commercial. 4. Paradox Desktop Database. Desktop database is a program in which is a separate program that is directly contained in Borland DB. In desktop database, there are several integrated DBMS including Paradox 7, Paradox 4, Visual DBase, FogPro, MS SQL, Oracle, MS Access, DB2, and Interbase. From some of the DBMS we will cost one, namely Paradox, which will be discussed further, especially Paradox 7. In Paradox 7, in one database file only allows one table, different from other DBMS that allow multiple tables in one database file as in MS Access. Conclusion. The database is a collection of data that interconnect with one another which is organized according to a certain structure and stored properly. The advantage of DBMS are that reducing data duplication, maintaining data consistency and integrity, in increasing data security, efficiency, and effectiveness of data use, increasing of productivity of data use. The uniqueness of TPMS is that it requires an certain skill to be able to database administration and management so that the optimal structure and data relation can be obtained, requiring both internal disk and internal memory strong capacity so that the TPMS can work quickly and effectively. The need for resource is usually quite high. If the TPMS fails to carry out its mission, the fail rate will be high because many users depend on the system. The price of a reliable TPMS is usually very expensive. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.